Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace a control knob bezel on your gas downdraft cooktop, first remove the appropriate knob. You can use a plastic putty knife to help loosen the old bezel if still intact. Before you install the new control knob bezel, clean off any residue from the cooktop. Now peel off the backing and align the bezel on the cooktop so the switch shaft is centered in the hole. With the new bezel in place, realign the control knob on the switch shaft and push it into place. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.